welcome to my channel. It's Sophia, the Glitter Frame, and I'm going to be showing you all of my squishies. And I'm going to be starting with the newer ones, so let's get started. Okay, so here's some Minnie Mouse squishies, and then I'll go to the Mickey Mouse squishies. Here's a Minnie Mouse squishy, macaron. It's kind of very airy. This donut. We think this is French fries, like McDonald's, but it's supposed to be Minnie Mouse. And this one, this Minnie Mouse. Going on to the Mickey Mouses. So this Mickey Mouse. And this Mickey Mouse cheeseburger. This unicorn. It's pretty. Watermelon. This really slow rising one. See that? I use it as a hand rest sometimes. This sheep. This roll thing, Bob. Oops. This one's not that slow rising. It's kind of hard, but I like it. Donut. Oh, and I took a bite out of it. This strawberry. Taco. French fries. Donut. Green donut with white drizzles. This also a really slow rising one. This one. I'm kind of going a little fast. This koala. This big unicorn, and I named it Penelope. Princess. This cake. Oh, this one goes this one. That's why they're matching. I grabbed two. This unicorn on a pink moon. And this. They make a unicorn on a yellow moon, but I got the unicorn on the pink moon. Burger. Another one. Shopkins cake. This is not really squishy, but it's kind of like one, so I just put it in my squishy drawer. Ooh. Dinosaur one. I forgot what they were called. Oh, does it say on the bottom? No, I forgot what these are called. Oh, costume cuties, yeah. This popcorn that actually smells like popcorn. It's gold. I got this in a Shopkins blind bag. It smells good. This cake. Cotton candy. I might as well take my Pomsies out because they're kind of not really helping. These cake. Cinnamon roll. Bear. I call it a chocolate bear on a cupcake. Shopkins cheese. I think it's cheese. Some people think it's butter, but I think it's cheese. Yeah. This ice cream. My dog got it So I just put purple spots in it to make it look brand new. These two were my first ever squishies. Okay. This one, cinnamon roll. Hot dog with mustard drizzles. Mickey Mouse and my sister tore the ear off when I was not even looking. It's dirty. And this is the song I made for it. Mickey Mouse is the best. You will never forget him. That's what I made for it. Well, my cousin did. Here's this. As you probably know, it comes with this. It just came in this cup. If you haven't got one, the stretch fire. Ew. It's poop. It used to have a face, but since I squish it so much, it came off. And it's not really squishy. It's one of those stretch ball thingies. It has water in it. And it looks so gross when you do this. So gross. But I really love it. It's sticky, and I like that. So, thumbs up. Oh, two more things. The stretch hot dog, stretchy bear. And popcorn. And I'll show you my Pomsies. This, I named them. They have a name on them. Hi, Mom.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video. And then this purple one, I named it, I didn't even name it. Named Bubblegum. I'll think of a name right now with y'all. I'll name it Juliet and Bubblegum. Juliet, Bubblegum. Juliet, Bubblegum. Juliet, Bubblegum. All left is their brushes, a pen that I got from the shelf at school. Watch. So this is a pen. It's a necklace, and it takes it off, and this makes your skin brighter. And wait, it's bubbles too. And then when you take this off, you take this lid off, and then there's a stick in there. You see that? Bubbles. Ah! Yes, please. A phone, princess phone. Let's take a picture with me. And I've made a few books, but they're not that good. So, if you enjoyed my video, I need you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and bye!